If dark mode themes aren't applying properly on your Samsung phone, don't stress. In this guide, you'll find a set of advanced methods to resolve the issue and get your themes working smoothly in dark mode. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Enable Force Dark Mode. First, open up the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Developer Options. Make sure to turn it on. Now find out the Force Dark Mode option and toggle it on. Solution 2. Clear Cache. Go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Tap on Apps. Now tap on the search bar from the top. Then type Themes. After that, tap on Galaxy Themes. Scroll down again, then tap on Storage. Next, tap on the Clear Cache from the bottom right corner. Solution 3. Change Vision Enhancement Settings. Go to the settings again, then scroll down a little bit, find out Accessibility. Now tap on it. Then tap on Vision Enhancements. After that, tap on High Contrast Theme. Make sure to select None. Then go back. From here, turn off the color inversion. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 4. Check your software update. Go back to the settings page again, scroll down, and find out the software update option. Then tap on it. After that, tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then it will start downloading automatically. And that wraps up how to resolve the issue with themes not applying correctly in dark mode in your Samsung device. If this video helped you out, feel free to tap the like button. Got questions or need more help? Drop a comment below. I'm happy to assist. Thanks for tuning in.